So crypto is going to be in a little bit of a bear trend for the next little bit, most likely, especially with FOMC tomorrow. I think they're anticipating interest rates to go down the last little while, but I don't believe they're going to anymore. So crypto is going to take a hit, which is good. It allows people to get back in and better prices. However, you don't want to be the sucker that buys at the top, like right here. You want to wait. Um, so these are my just entries and exits for the next probably week. Depends on how long this takes. Definitely, it'll take a week for this to come back down and then back up to my exit prices. But so we'll just go through all the main currencies here. So looking at Bitcoin here, I believe it's going to come down to 118.4 in this area and then get bought up. Might take a couple days. It's currently Tuesday, 8 o'clock at night. So, but by Thursday should be down to here, 118.4, and then look to buy it. Might be a little bit slow, but next week it should end up back up around 122.9. If all things considered, we'll see. And then so I got it marked out here for 2 days. It's going to take roughly a 3.8% gain on Bitcoin. Ethereum, very similar. It's going to continue to come down here to about 4,300, and then back up to 45.26 is my marker. Again, it's going to take 2 days for that. So price is going to come down somewhere in this area, settle, and then pull back up to these prices. So probably a couple days down and a couple days back up. XRP, we got Ripple here. It's got a little bit ways to go down to 281 here, and then back up to 292. Once that happens, then it should only take about a day for that. So a little bit less than the other ones for it to move back up to that price. But again, and with all these entries and exits, the idea is to get, like, you're trading. You don't want to just buy and hold. It's kind of, you're gonna be holding for a long time. So and you're holding in a downtrend market. It's stupid. You might as well just buy every little bit and then dump it. Buy it, dump it, buy it, dump it. So, and there's a strategic way to do it. So I'm going to show you. So just follow my points here. And if you want, join our Discord. I'll post the day-by-day trades as they come in. These are not ready yet. But so yeah, down to 281, back up. Solana here. This one's closer. We can move this over a little bit. 216 is my price, back up to 225, which again should only take about a day for a 4% gain, so that's good. Let price come down to these areas so they get bought up. You don't need to buy it before that. Steth USD here, again going to come down a little bit to 4,334, then back up to 45.20 for again about a 4% gain on this one too. And yeah, this might take a couple days to come down, a couple days to come up, especially with FOMC, a bunch of US news tomorrow. So we'll see about that. But once it's down here, it should only take a day or so to come back up. So make 4% on that. And then Doge, move this over a bit. Down to 24 cent, 24.1, I guess. I don't even know what you would call it, 0.241, up to 0.256. This will take about a day for a 6% gain once price comes down to this area. So they're all similar, right? Everything kind of moves together for the most part. And then last one here, Stellar XLM. Yeah, it's got a little bit more to come down, not too much, down to 37. We'll call this 37.85. We'll just make these easier numbers. So down to 37.85, up to 39.15. Again, only about a day for this to happen, and a 3.43% gain on this. So let price come down to all those areas that we just went through, and then buy it up just a little bit. And then once it hits these prices, get rid of it. And then guess what? We'll do it again on the way down. As it keeps going down, we'll buy more, and then dump it. Buy it, dump it. That is why trading is superior to just hodling and just being in a downtrend market for, it could be months. So especially if you bought Bitcoin at the all-time highs, then you might be holding for a bit. So, and I mean, I could be wrong. It could come back up and bounce up, but I would I would never buy at all-time highs. I would buy it on sale. That's how you really make money. So buying at the top and praying it just keeps going up, that's silly. So anyways, join our Discord if you want the play-by-play trades. It's free right now, but it won't always be. So get in, ask me any questions if you have them. I'm pretty accurate with my cryptos, so you can go through. All my trades are in there. I haven't really missed yet. I've been early on a few, but I have not missed. So, and I have a really good um, I have a really good strategy to average in and get out of any positions if it goes against you a little bit. So it's no big deal. But yeah, that's my take.